if you fly with your bike for less than 4 days. Buying an expensive travel case is a mathematical mistake. Most cyclists default to buying a travel case, but depending on your trip length, renting or shipping is often cheaper. Let's break down the real 2026 costs. If you fly, you need a case. Hard cases like the Sicken Aero Comfort or Evoque Pro run $500 to $700. They offer ultimate protection, but weigh up to 12 kilos empty. Soft cases are lighter but riskier. Most U.S. airlines now charge $75 to $150 each way for checked bikes. The critical cutoff is 23 kilos or 50 pounds packed. Most road bikes clear this, but if you're flying an e-bike, expect massive overweight fees. Here's the packing mistake that ruins trips: leaving the rear derailleur attached. Always remove and zip tie it inside the frame. It prevents bent hangers when baggage handlers drop it. Hate airport hassle. Services like bike flights charge $75 to $250 domestically. It takes the stress completely out of travel, but you have to part with your bike 5 to 7 days before you actually leave. Renting is incredibly viable now. High-end carbon bikes run $50 to $150 daily. You skip airline fees and damage anxiety, but you gamble slightly on getting exact fit. So how do you choose? Here is the 2026 framework. For trips under 3 days, always rent. The daily rate beats round-trip bag fees. For 4 to 7 days, fly if you already own a case. If not, rent. For trips over 7 days, bring your own bike. A $100 daily rental quickly eclipses the cost of a premium case and airline fees. Plus, for a long week of riding, you want your own saddle and geometry. Driving, a hitch rack is best. And here's the math on buying. If you fly more than twice a year, a $600 hard case fully pays for itself versus renting. Finally, when you unpack, leave your pipe insulation and protective foam perfectly organized inside the empty case. Your next pack-up will drop from 45 minutes to 20. Pack smart and enjoy the ride.